This is the BK Mueller 888-561 new style stem assembly. Now, a couple really important things to notice about the stem is on the end here, it'll have those 3 threads. And then coming down to this end here, you've got the 2 metal washers and then the rubber packing there in between them. And on this end, you've got that kind of set screw and that rubber washer there on the end as well. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of the stem, starting with a total length. So from end to end, so it measures right at 9.5 inches. And then we can also get a measurement of this top piece here. And that will measure right at 1.5 inches at the head of the screw there. And we can also get an outer diameter of this end with the screw. And that'll measure right at about 1/2 inch. And then we can also get an outer diameter of this squared end here. And that will measure right at 1/4 of an inch. And we can also pop one of these metal washers off and get a measurement of it as well. We'll get a total diameter. That'll be right at 3/4 of an inch. So once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-561 stem assembly.